back from taking the tyres off. As you can see, they're still really bad. It's going to be a lot easier now. Thanks to WP Garage for taking the tyres off for me. Job well done, thank you very much. Now on with the hard work. Hello, welcome back to Coyote Style Tuning. Today we're going to be continuing with the refurb of the Toyota Celica wheels. I'm going to start by sanding them down with a DA sander with 180 and 80 grit discs, also with a detail sander with the same grit, and then any hard to reach areas I'll be using small wire brushes on a drill, then finishing off by hand. Once they're all sanded down and prepped ready for primer, first stage will be an acid etch prime, which I've got in aerosol, which will give it a good base for the high build primer, which is a 2K ultra filler primer. A couple of coats of that will give it a nice smooth finish. I will then finish that off with a 400 and then finish with an 800 grit wet to give it a nice smooth finish for the silver base coat. Let's get started. Always remember, safety first. This is probably nearly 20 years old. From Woolworths, cost me something like £5. Fantastic piece of kit. Jeez. For the inside, bringing out the heavy guns, strip and clean wheel on a grinder. Seems to be making a much better job, but as you can see, bloody dusty. Back to it. That's better. Oh. As you can see, it's starting to come off quite nicely. A lot of it I think is baked on brake dust. Shouldn't really be breathing this stuff in. Front's coming up nicely, and it still needs a bit more work. We're getting there. Let's get on. So, had to get out the old die grinder to get into all the small little areas. I think that one is pretty much ready to go. Quick degrease, and then wipe over with some thinners, and I think we'll be fine for primer. So that's one down, 3 to go. That's the wheels all sanded and ready for primer. It's getting a little too cold actually to start priming and painting today, so I'm going to leave that to the next episode. I'd like to thank Julie today for helping me with the camera work. Say hello, Julie.
Hello.
Because Stan the man is actually off recovering from a hand operation, so get well soon, mate. Hope to see you soon. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Today we're going to be continuing with the refurb of the Celica. Today we're going to be continuing with the prep of the
Do you want me to have a go?